Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get Wise membership number. So simply when you open Wise account, like I have opened my personal account, so here you can check all my personal trades are here. So now how you can get your membership number. So just you have to fill all of your details here, and after that just go back to home. Now when you open Wise account, you will be directly add to membership. So whenever you create a new Wise account, like your personal account or business account, so just simply you will easily get your Wise number. So as you can see on the top right side, here is my profile icon. So simply just click on this down arrow button, and here your Wise membership number is available. So you can easily get your Wise membership numbers here. So when you directly create account, your membership number will automatically generate. You don't need to personally create a Wise membership number, so it is your Wise membership number. So in this way you can easily get your Wise membership number.